The various nutritional content in this fruit is good for body health, from maintaining heart health to accelerating wound healing. Bilimbi is a plant that is widely cultivated in Southeast Asia, including Indonesia. Because of its sour, sweet, and bitter taste, this fruit is often used as a cooking ingredient for a variety of foods. In addition to adding to the taste of food, the nutrients contained in Bilimbi fruit have various benefits for the body. This fruit also contains nutritional content similar to star fruit. The following are some of the health benefits of Bilimbi that you can learn about. 1. Control blood sugar levels. High and uncontrolled sugar levels in the blood can lead to insulin resistance. Over time, this condition can lead to type 2 diabetes. This disease is closely related to various health problems, such as cardiovascular disease, eye nerve damage, to nerve and kidney disorders. Some research shows that consumption of Bilimbi is believed to control blood sugar levels. This is thought to be due to the antioxidant and fiber content in Bilimbi, which is known to be good for keeping blood sugar stable. 2. Accelerate wound healing. When you are injured, your body needs collagen to repair damaged tissue. In order to produce collagen, the body needs adequate intake of vitamin C. Similar to ordinary star fruit, Bilimbi is also rich in vitamin C. This vitamin is known to stimulate the formation of collagen, which is good for skin health and the wound recovery process. 3. Maintain a healthy heart and blood vessels. Bilimbi is known to be beneficial for heart and blood vessel health. These benefits can be obtained thanks to the content of antioxidants, fiber, vitamin C, and potassium in it. Potassium serves to lower blood pressure, while fiber can lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels. The content of vitamin C in Bilimbi can also reduce inflammation and prevent blockages in blood vessels. Not only that, Bilimbi fruit is also a good source of antioxidants. This means Bilimbi can prevent damage to body cells and the growth of cancer cells due to exposure to free radicals. In general, Bilimbi is good for consumption as an addition to your daily healthy diet. However, the effectiveness and safety of using Bilimbi as drugs or supplements still needs to be investigated further.